App number 1, Cash Sprint. This app allows you to earn extra money by completing simple and fun tasks. From taking surveys, watching videos, to completing small gigs, Cash Sprint has it all. With its user-friendly interface and fast payment processing, you can start earning money on the go, whenever you have some spare time to invest. Next up, we have app number 2, InvestMaster. This app is perfect for individuals who are interested in investing but don't have the expertise. With InvestMaster, you can get real-time investment recommendations tailored to your financial goals and risk tolerance. Say goodbye to the hassle of analyzing stocks and making decisions on your own. With InvestMaster's intelligent algorithms, your investments will be optimized for maximum profits. Last but not least, app number 3, Task Boost. This app is a game changer for all the freelancers and gig workers out there. Task Boost connects you with clients who are searching for your skills. Whether you're a graphic designer, content writer, or social media manager, Task Boost has plenty of opportunities waiting for you. It's the perfect platform to showcase your talents, grow your client base, and ultimately boost your income. And there you have it, 3 lesser-known apps that can help you increase your income in 2023. Now, remember, these apps are just tools, and your determination and hard work will contribute to your success.